Hi everyone, Urmila here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple hazelnut frosting using cream cheese and fresh cream. And this is the perfect accompaniment for a chocolate cupcake. I'm going to show you how to decorate that as well. So let me show you what you're going to need next. So for the hazelnut frosting, you're going to need half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 packet of cream cheese, which is about 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 tub of double cream. You can get whichever brand you like. It's about 200 mils of double cream, and then about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 teaspoons of hazelnut oil, some hazelnuts for garnishing, and some cupcakes of your choice. Let me show you what you're going to do next. So to start with, I've just put the thick cream or the heavy cream into the bowl, and with a hand mixer we're going to have to beat it until we get soft peaks, and then I'm going to stop it and move it to another bowl. So I'm just going to stop it until it's like that. See, it's quite stiff. Once it's like that, this mixer is doing my head in. Once it's like that, just remove it from this bowl, and then we will whip the cream cheese in the same bowl so we don't have to do so much of washing. So I've taken the cream out and put it into a different bowl, and I'm going to put the cream cheese into this bowl now. And then we're going to add the sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and I know I said 2 teaspoons of hazelnut. The hazelnut oil can be quite strong, so maybe we'll go with 1 first, and then after we've added the cream, we'll see if it's not too overpowering and it's not strong enough, then we will add a bit more. But for now, just keep it as 1 teaspoon of hazelnut essence. So now turn this on again. So once it's nice and creamy like this, then we can add the cream in and just fold it through. So when the recipe says to fold it through, you just fold it through gently like that. Don't stir it like that, because it will just make the cream even more thick, and it'll be harder to fold through and get an even mixture. So just keep folding it through until both the cream cheese and the cream have combined evenly, and then I'll show you what we're going to do next. So now I've just got a disposable piping bag. You can get these kind of bags in any of the shops. I'm just going to cut a small hole, or just cut a little bit of the tip off, and we're going to fill the piping bag with the cream. So turn the bag inside out like that, so that you have somewhere that you can hold it with, and then put some cream in. Okay, just push the cream down. So it's better to probably do this over a bowl. Push it down so you get Okay, so you know that it's coming out evenly. And then I'm gonna go in a circular motion. So you can, if you want, you can make it a bit bigger or smaller depending on how you want to decorate the cupcakes, but you can just go in circles. I just make sure that the surface of the cupcake is covered. So see how there's a gap there? Just go over with the cream. That's the secret of cake decorating. Just finding ways to cover up the mistakes that you make when you're decorating. So if you can find pretty ways to cover it up, then all the better. You can do just lines or zigzags. The trick is really about the pressure. So how much of pressure you put when you're piping. Even pressure is what you need, because if you start, then you get different sizes of lines. So just do that. I'm almost finished. And then with the hazelnuts, just sprinkle a few. If you want, you can break them up a bit and put a few pieces, or you can put them as crumbs. It's totally up to you. Run out of hazelnuts, but yeah, that's essentially it. That's how you would do this. This frosting, obviously, because it has cream cheese and cream, will need to be refrigerated, and you cannot just leave it at room temperature because it's not shelf stable. So yeah, but it's a really simple frosting and it's really tasty. I think based on what I've tasted, stick to the 1 teaspoon of hazelnut essence, because 2 teaspoons will just be too much. So hope you enjoyed this video. Happy baking!